Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're staring at the F1E6 error code on your Whirlpool oven and wondering what to do next, you're in the right place. This common issue can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step so you can fix it yourself and get back to baking in no time. Let's dive in. First, what exactly does the F1E6 error mean? In Whirlpool ovens, this code typically signals a communication problem between the control board and the user interface. It's like the oven's brain isn't connecting properly with its controls, often due to a glitch or hardware issue. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common reasons include a faulty touchpad or membrane switch, which can wear out over time from frequent use. Loose wiring connections inside the oven might also be the culprit, perhaps from vibrations or improper installation. Additionally, electrical surges or power fluctuations could damage components, and in some cases, the control board itself might be failing. The good news is that fixing this error doesn't always require a professional. Start with a simple reset. Unplug your oven from the wall for at least 5 minutes to clear any temporary glitches. Once you plug it back in, check if the error has disappeared. If that doesn't work, it's time to get hands-on. Safety first. Always unplug the oven before proceeding. Open the control panel as per your model's manual and inspect for any loose wires or connections. Gently secure them if needed. Next, test the touchpad for responsiveness. If it's damaged or not working, you may need to replace it. This part is usually straightforward and available online or at appliance stores. In more serious scenarios, the control board might need replacement. This involves removing the old board and installing a new one, but if you're not comfortable with electrical work, call a certified technician to avoid any risks. By following these steps, you should resolve the F1E6 error and have your oven running smoothly again. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent future issues, so keep an eye on your appliance. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY fixes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.